KNX TP topology across time. Because the KNX system has been around for a long time, there have been changes in the installation method. When talk about topology, there are actually two eras. The first era began from year 1990 until year 2008. For 18 years, the KNX installation method has followed the same standard. The second era starts from year 2009 until now. There were minor changes made to improve the system. At first, there are only 64 TP devices can be mounted in one line segment. So the topology as illustrated. Under one line coupler, device number 1 to device number 63 can be installed. Starting from year 2009, 256 TP devices can be mounted in one line segment. The topology as illustrated. Under one line coupler, device number 1 to device number 255 can be installed. Before 2008, to add more than 64 devices under one line segment can be extended with 3 other line segments, thereby using KNX line repeater. With the installation of 3 line repeater units, the total number of devices that can be installed is approaching 255 devices. Line repeaters and line couplers are the same device. Installing this device according to topology will change its name to either line coupler or line repeater. After 2009, line repeater not required if cable length is maximum 1,000 meter. But if cable length is beyond 1,000 meter, it is allowed to mount 256 TP devices distributed over the several line segment. This installation done by using the maximum 3 line repeater.